Hey guys, so I have a video on this hair that I'm wearing. This is a princess hair plug frontal that is 22 inches with Guangzhou New Star. I believe it's just New Star hair now. I'll put a link to both below. This is 28, 26, 24, and 22 inches, and then this frontal's 22, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the correct inches down below. I wanted to film a video on this color. I wanted to show you guys what I did. I don't have any footage of me doing the application, but it's honestly very simple. So what you do, this is following the Clarins Diamond method of getting silver hair. I'm gonna link her video down below. I opted to change it a little bit. So she put Wella T16. I have used that toner before, and she put it with 30 volume developer, and she did a 1:6 ratio and then left it on for 45 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. I opted to change it because I wanted it to be a little darker. Either way, it looks better on her skin tone. I'm fully aware of that. I have Wella T16 with 30 volume, and I did 1 to 2 parts. I wanted it to be a little darker, and I like that over time it's gonna fade to be lighter. Now the root is what I did differently than Clarins though. I took 10 volume with Wella Color Charm 050 to do these roots, and I have a video on how I add dark roots to blonde wigs, and that's the method I followed with the short brush. It's a very detailed video, and I spent a lot of time doing it, and it actually shows the procedure of how to do it. So if I remember, I'll put that down below as well. But I just wanted to show you guys this because I really like this color. I think it's really pretty. And I've been requested a lot recently to sell wigs. I don't know if that's something that anybody would really be interested in. If anything, I would sell them as is because I don't really have the emotional capacity to be dealing with like really irate customers or anything. And that's just me. That's why I don't do hair and makeup full time anymore. So anyway, that is this hair, this silver gray with a dark blue-gray root. I'm really happy with it, received lots of compliments on it. I have a red wig too that is very like Kim Possible. I don't know if you guys want to see that, but I can show you guys that at a later time. I'm going to start doing hair more, wigs more, I should say, because it does kind of keep me sane and it gives me something to do so that I'm not in my head thinking too much. My next wig is going to be really excited, and it incorporates a lot of different colors. So I hope you guys stay tuned. I hope you like the video, and I hope that all of my hair subscribers, there's a fly, I hope that all of my hair subscribers are happy to see this video. I haven't done a hair video in a really long time, and that's how I kind of started the rebirth of my channel. So I hope you guys have a great day. Why am I doing this? Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.